The sparrow is a small bird that belongs to the family Pاسیریڈی, which is a part of the order Páseriformes. Sparrows are known for their small size, typically ranging from 4 to 8 inches 10 to 20 centimeters in length. They have a compact and robust body with short wings and a stout beak. Sparrows are found in various parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, Africa, and North America. They inhabit a wide range of habitats, including grasslands, woodlands, cities, and suburbs. The common house sparrow Passer domesticus is one of the most widespread and well-known species of sparrows, often found near human habitation. Here are some key features and characteristics of sparrows. Plumage. Sparrows generally have dull-colored plumage, often consisting of shades of brown, gray, and black. However, some species may display more vibrant colors during the breeding season. Diet. Sparrows are primarily seed eaters. They have strong, conical beaks that enable them to crack open seeds. Additionally, they may also consume small insects and fruits. Social behavior. Sparrows are highly social birds that often form large flocks. They communicate with each other using chirping sounds and engage in various social behaviors such as preening, bathing, and dust bathing. Nesting. Sparrows build cup-shaped nests using grass, twigs, and other materials. They typically construct their nests in cavities, such as tree hollows, building crevices, or even in man-made structures like birdhouses. Reproduction. Sparrows are known for their high reproductive rate. They can have multiple broods in a single breeding season. The female usually lays several eggs, and both parents take turns incubating them. Adaptability. Sparrows are highly adaptable birds and can thrive in diverse environments. They have successfully colonized urban areas and have become well adapted to human-altered landscapes. Sparrows have historically been closely associated with human settlements and have been both loved and sometimes considered pests due to their adaptability and population growth. They have featured in various cultural references and are often seen as symbols of simplicity, community, and industriousness.